Hello. With summer in full swing here in Shaker, I hope you are enjoying the long daylight hours, beautiful weather, and our shady tree-lined neighborhoods. I'd like to take this opportunity to invite you to participate in 3 events and then share a bit of good news. First, I'll be continuing my Chat with the Mayor series on Wednesday, July 20th from 6 until 7 p.m. at Motiv, one of Shaker's newest eateries, at the corner of Lee Road and Van Aken. Join me there for a refreshing beverage and lively conversation. There's no set agenda for this informal drop-in event. Just stop by to talk about whatever matters to you. Motiv's address is 3427 Lee Road, and you may park on Lee or in the parking lot off Van Aken behind the building. Second, on the same day and immediately following the Motiv drop-in event, there is a biking and walking tour on Lee Road. Again, this biking and walking tour takes place on Wednesday, July 20, but starts at 6:45 p.m. here at the dealership, 3558 Lee Road. The idea behind the biking and walking tour is to experience Lee Road on foot or by bike while discussing ways that the cities of Shaker Heights and Cleveland might make Lee Road more cyclist and pedestrian friendly and more attractive for new businesses. We'll wrap up the tour with an opportunity for you to view redevelopment options created through the community input sessions and share your own opinions by taking a survey. Even if you can't attend this event, you can still share your views. You may take the survey online and learn more about the entire Lee Road Action Plan at shakeronline.com/Lee Action Plan. That's all one word, Lee Action Plan. That survey will be open until July 24, so please visit the page soon. Third, I invite you to share your thoughts on the restoration of Doan Brook at Horseshoe Lake Park. The Northeast Ohio Regional Sewer District will be hosting a public listening session later this summer, with experts on hand to both listen to your ideas and answer your questions about the project. Their intent is to gather information and ideas from you as the sewer district's landscape architecture firm is in its pre-design stage. To sign up for notifications of public engagement sessions, including the one planned for later this summer, please go to neorsd.org/Doan Brook. That's all one word, Doan Brook. The city will also include notifications about information sessions in our monthly electronic newsletter. You may sign up for that at shakeronline.com/stay-connected. Your participation will help shape the future of this treasured parkland. Finally, I'm delighted to announce that the Arbor Day Foundation has again designated the city of Shaker Heights as a tree city, marking the 37th straight year the city has earned this distinction. So as summer progresses, I hope you get out to enjoy the warm sunshine, our beautiful parks, and all that Shaker has to offer. Thank you, and be well.